Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will share some quotations from Quaid Azam. Number 1. I do not believe in taking the right decision. I take a decision and make it right. Number 2. Religion should not be allowed to come into politics. Religion is merely a matter between man and God. Number 3. No struggle can ever succeed without women participating side by side with men. Number 4. With faith, discipline and selfless devotion to duty, there is nothing worthwhile that you cannot achieve. Number 5. Think 100 times before you take a decision, but once that decision is taken, stand by it as one man. Number 6. There are two powers in the world. One is the sword and the other is the pen. There is great competition between the two. There is a third power stronger than both, that of the woman. Thanks for watching. Please must subscribe and press the bell icon.